You guys, so we're in December. Now, December is obviously known for the Christmas season. So Merry Christmas to all of you, or better yet, from what I've been understanding, Merry Vlogmas. So apparently a ton of YouTubers nowadays are calling this time of the year Vlogmas. So I want you to see this. I actually just got my stocking, which I don't know, I'm pretty proud of. I love it. I was actually kind of debating between either getting this stocking or a Star Wars themed stocking. Leave a comment below on what you think I should have done, if I made a good choice in the stocking that I got with these little cool fuzzy balls, or if I should have gotten that Star Wars stocking that honestly I thought was kind of cool. It was R2-D2. But if you think I should have gotten that, go ahead and leave a comment below. As for today, as for what you'll be seeing today, we had initial plans. It turned out that we were actually gonna be getting about like 10 inches of snow. So that is your typical Minnesota week for you. Literally, it can be semi nice looking outside, but then all of a sudden, just snow comes out of nowhere. I am telling you, I really don't like the snow. Well, okay, it's not that I don't like the snow, it's that I don't like the cold that goes with the snow. I'm a little bit of a warm bunny. I hate the cold, and Minnesota winters, well, we're kind of known for the cold here. But hey, you know what? Stick around for the video, and I have a little bit of a surprise for you that'll actually be kind of going into what next week has in store. And I will be honest, it is actually pretty sweet. I look forward to kind of what today has. And thank you for joining me yet again on the second week. All right, you guys, peace out. All right, we're gonna be having so much fun as we go over to Apple Valley, River Valley, and we're just gonna be tagging along for a little bit, trying to just do some fun stuff, and I'm looking forward for you guys to tag along with us. Right now we got Mateo and Kyle are over right now. You guys will see them shortly as we head over to Cafe Astoria for a bit of coffee before we actually head on down to Micro Center and then Apple Valley for church. So I'll talk to you guys soon.
Hello.
Okay, so initially we were gonna go to Cafe Astoria, but we're not now because it is just absolutely insane outside. It's blizzarding. It's supposed to be getting like 10 inches of snow. So yeah, and we're skipping also Micro Center because it is also snowing way too much. Now we're heading to church. Hopefully we'll make it back alive.
Starbucks.
There's the car. Left it on. Little trick in the winter, don't turn off your car when you go inside for a split second because there's gonna be snow covering it. Oh!
Say if you have a big, it's running like this, you got.
Hey guys, we're at church now, but it's really empty. We ended up actually going to Starbucks. That was a little bit of an ordeal getting to Starbucks and out of Starbucks, but chilling out here until service starts. We're about half hour early. All right, we're just finding a seat now. All right. We're really in the third row, so we're not like excellent students, but we're like semi-excellent, you know?
Fit to make it to heaven and to be in right relationship with Jesus. And you cannot work your way out of that one sin one time. Even if you're a pretty good person, if you got the wrong motive, you can do the right thing with the wrong heart, and we're unclean. We need a Savior. We need a Savior, and it's Jesus Christ.
Service was amazing, as always. How was the service?
It was great. It's very lovely.
Lovely? Lovely. He said lovely. It's what you tell your girlfriend. Baby, you're lovely.
I'm speechless. Put my hand in, see if it's muted.
Don't litter in church. All right, we're about to go outside, so button up. Here we go. So we're heading into the Southdale Mall really quick. Mateo needed to go to the bathroom before we head over to a friend's party. Turns out we're going because, well, the snow kind of stopped. So although it's supposed to pick up a little bit later, we're hoping that maybe we can get in for about 30 minutes and then we can get out. I still got to do some editing for the first video from last week. And then, yeah, so that's gonna take a few hours, and honestly, I might be up for like, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours still. We'll see what ends up happening, but right now we're just gonna kind of wander around, maybe go to Dave & Buster's, play some games, and waste a little bit of time. So we'll catch up with you guys in just a little bit, but yeah.
How was it?
Shoes. Everybody loves shoes.
Let's get some shoes. Oh my gosh. These are so manly.
I actually like these ones.
He likes these ones. Alright, you can't tell me that this is one of the coolest games ever, but what sucks is that it's busted! No! It looks like they're having a ton of fun. Just take a look for yourself. No way!
It's your middle guy. Thank you.
All right, here's a game I've never seen before. This is Connect 4, but with hoops. Check this out. You ready for this?
If you miss, you go.
It's too insane!
My man! Wait. Hand hug.
All right, so yeah, pretty much it's time to hang out with a bunch of girls. We're going to Haley's party right now. I don't know what the weather's gonna be like, but we're gonna brave it anyways because she's been getting us crap to go. So we're just like, you know what? We want to support her, so we're gonna do it. No matter if we get caught in a blizzard in the process. So I guess here we come.
My name's Gabriel Anderson. We're just walking through the mall. What mall are we in? It's probably, I feel super close to my face.
So we're at Haley's party right now, and we're just kind of chilling out right now. This is Emily. So yeah, we're just kind of chilling out right now, and I'm honestly kind of like counting down the minutes until I get home so I can start editing this video so I can get it uploaded for you guys. But hey, I actually got something I want to tell you later. It's actually a surprise. Well, it wouldn't be this next Sunday, because this next Sunday I'm actually going to be uploading this video, but the video after that I'm going to be uploading, and that's going to contain the surprise. So 2 weeks from now, you guys are going to be able to see the surprise that I have. I got to be honest, it's really awesome, and it involves some certain family members of mine. So I don't know. I'll probably maybe I'll tell you a little bit later. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. We played a little bit of games, but you know what? I don't know. I mean, they were kind of fun a little bit. And then Haley started throwing popcorn into people's mouths. That was also kind of fun, a little bit. I don't know. She's kind of a poor throat. I'm never gonna actually tell her that, but you know what? She'll probably find out later when she actually watches this video. So, hey, Emily, getting in on the action.
Hey y'all.
But yeah, so there you guys. Peace out. I'll see you soon. Probably see you back at home. We'll kind of have an end conversation. And yeah, that's about it. Peace out. All right, I told you guys that I was gonna be able to show you the birthday girl, Haley Gibbs, and she's like one of the coolest people I've ever met. Here she is, the Haley Gibbs. She's amazing. Birthday girl. You know, okay, just an FYI, you guys, this girl runs one of the best Poshmark sites ever. You should definitely go check her out on Instagram. Yep, Haley's Hanger. So just a quick shout out for her on her birthday. You know, gotta love her and everything that she does. So, I don't know, maybe it's a little bit loud, you guys, but just so you know, this girl is amazing. She's a light, she smiles, she does everything she can for other people. Yeah, go ahead, check her out on Instagram. And I'm glad that I was able to actually show you who the birthday girl was, because I know I was talking about earlier. I might not have been able to do that, so here you are, there she is. And we're gonna be heading out here shortly because, as I've said before, I gotta get home so I can edit these videos for you all. You know it. Girl laughter. It's cool.
Hey, guess what? We're going home now. Yeah.
Yeah. We're going home. We've done the typical Minnesota goodbye thing where literally it takes us about an hour to say goodbye. So when you say you're leaving, you're actually...
Oh, hey, no shoes on there. Yeah.
Okay.
Get back up here.
Anyways, yeah, when we say that we're leaving, it probably takes us about a half hour, if not an hour, to actually leave.
Yeah.
So we're actually leaving now, and I'm gonna be dragging these guys by their ears if I have to. So peace out, you guys. I'll see you soon. All right, so we're just back home now, and we're just chilling out. Mateo's on the well-known Fortnite. There's Mateo over there, Fortnite. Now, I guess I'll kind of just give you a little bit of a tour of the house. I'll just kind of show you where things are at and what we've got going on here. It's actually, I personally think it's a little bit of a cool setup, but we've got our peace stockings up, which I don't know, I appreciate. Along with our little fire, little tiny TV. Frankly, we've been talking about improving the TV for about a few months now, but I don't know. Maybe it'll happen, maybe it won't. Frankly, I don't watch that much TV anyways. It's not like I have the time anymore trying to edit all the videos for YouTube. But you know what? Yeah, it's not like that matters. But we got the view outside right now, and to be honest, it's still kind of snowing a lot. Not too bad. It's honestly, I'd say it's a little bit more flurries than anything at the moment. But yeah, there you go. It's not too bad, frankly. Again, they were telling us, like I said earlier, that we were going to be getting about maybe 10 inches of snow, but heck, that did not happen. And mind you, now I don't know if this had necessarily anything to do with it, but I did pray earlier today that we wouldn't be getting that 10 inches of snow and only snow a little bit. Well, guess what? It only snowed a little bit. So, whether or not that had actually anything to do with it. Now, I've kind of been thinking whether or not I actually wanted to tell you guys what I was talking about earlier about the surprise, and you know what? I'm just gonna tell you. So, I'm gonna be going this weekend, which is going to be the weekend of the 8th of December, to surprise my sister. She's a ballerina for the Washington DC Ballet, and she's actually in the Nutcracker. So if any of you are watching this from the DC area, her name is Abigail Knuth, and she actually has an Instagram, which is on point, if I remember correctly. I might be editing that a little bit later, but she's been in multiple shows now, and I'm going to surprise her here this coming weekend. She doesn't know about it, and frankly, I've been kind of teasing her about not being able to go see her show. So it's gonna be a complete surprise to her, and I'm gonna be taking along all of you with me. It's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be there Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It's only gonna be 4 days, and I'll actually be kind of doing my own thing, seeing the DC area. I'll kind of be getting to know the area a little bit. I've been there one other time, and there's a few things that I wasn't able to see during that point in time that I was there, which was actually, I think, last spring. I appreciate your time that you've taken out of your day to be able to just watch this and get to know me, get to know everybody that's within the vlogs. Thank you for tagging along to the birthday party. If you guys have any questions, comments, anything, post those in the comment section of the video. And I will talk to you guys in a week when I go to Washington, D.C. for the flight of a lifetime, to be able to surprise one of the most amazing women that I've ever known in my life, which is my own sister. Look forward to that, and I'll talk to you guys then. All right, love you all. Stay frosty, my friends.